Good morning, my ninth class students. Today is the topic polynomial. Already I had discussed this topic. General form of the polynomials, definition of polynomials, concept of polynomials, how we determine the degrees of the polynomial. So now today is the topic again general form of the polynomial, but here degree is n in one variable. Last class what we had learnt? Last class we had learnt linear polynomial in one variable, linear polynomial in two variable, quadratic polynomial in one variable, but now we will learn general form of the polynomial where degree is n and variable in one. So just let's see here general form of the polynomial where degree is n and variable 1. So just see what is the form here. Let fx is equal to a n x power n, a n minus 1 x power n minus 1, a n minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus up to a1 x1 plus a0 x power 0. This is the general form of the polynomial where degree is n and one variable x. Let's see here. Here I am writing a0 x power 0 means x power 0 is equal to 1. So we will write here a0 where an minus 1 up to a1 a0 are constants. What are they? Constants. And an is not equal to 0. What I am writing here, an is not equal to 0. So why an is not equal to 0? Because if this an is equal to 0, so this term will be 0. So that is in the polynomial in n minus 1 degree. Now you got it? Why an is not equal to 0? If an is equal to 0, so that fx degree n minus 1, because this would be eliminated. So we will start from here and that would be the maximum degree, maximum exponents. So this is the general form. So now I will give some examples regarding that. I will put that examples, that expressions into in the general form. So just see here. General form of the polynomial. Let px is equal to 3x cube minus 2x square plus 5x plus 6. So how we calculate this is general form? This is the general form of the polynomial. What does it mean? It means every term goes into that form. So just see here every expression. What we will write here? a3 x power 3, a3 minus 2 x power 3 minus 2, a3 minus 3 x power 3 minus 3. So this is a3 x power 3, a3 minus 2, this is a1 x power 1, and this is a0 x power 0. So just see here, what have I to write here? a3 minus 1 x power 3 minus 1, and we will include here one term more, a3. Okay, so here also what we have to write? Just see here, a3 x power 3, a2 x power 2. So now what our expression is? 3x cube minus 2x square plus 5x plus 6. So what is the value of a3? 3. What is the value of a2? Minus 2. What is the value of a1? 5. And what is the value of a0? 6. So now you understood. This is the general expression and the algebraic expression, and I put this expression in the form of our general form of the polynomial. Let's see one more example. 3x square minus 6. So what we will write here? a3. What is the degree here? 2. So we will start from here, a2 x2, a2 minus 1 x power 2 minus 1 plus a2 minus 2 x power 2 minus 2 means a2 x2, a1 x power 1, a0 x power 0. So what are our expressions? 3x square minus 6. So what is the value of a2? 3. What is the value of a1? That is 0. And what is the value of here a0? That is constant minus 6. a0 is equal to minus 6 and a1 is equal to 0. So such type we will find the value of the polynomials of this. So now what I will taught you, if our an a0 everything is 0, an minus 1, an minus 2, a1, a0 every constant value is 0, means suppose that an is equal to an minus 1 is equal to an minus 2 is equal to a1 is equal to this 0. So that fx is equal to 0. What is the value of fx now? 0. So if fx is equal to 0, so we can say this is a 0 polynomial. What we can say here? 0 polynomial. So one thing I want to tell you, if in 0 polynomial means if we are discussing here 0, so what is the degree? Not determined. The degree of 0 never determined, because 0 into x power 0 is equal to 0. 0 into x power 1 is equal to 0. 0 into x power 100 is equal to 0. 0 into x power 1000 is equal to also 0. What we have seen? In each and every term value is 0, whatever our degrees is. Here degree is 0, 100, 1000. That's why degree of 0 is not determined, means undefined. So now you understand. And what about the constant polynomial? Degree is always 1, because we can write, degree is always 0. We can write 5 as a 5x power 0, 10, 10x power 0. So what about the degree? Degree is 0. So one question here arises, what is the difference between the constant polynomials and 0 polynomials? So what would be your answer? What is the difference between the constant polynomials and 0 polynomials? The answer is, in 0 polynomials our degree is not defined, and in constant polynomials our degree is 0. 0 is a constant, but its degree is not defined. Now I think you understood the concept of the general form of the polynomials. So now our next topic is zeros of 0 of polynomial. This is the next topic. So I will discuss this in the next video. For that,